Hello. Katelyn has the hiccups right now.
I have hiccups.
Wait for it. Ta-da! So, yeah. I had no homework last night.
Me neither. Well, I did, but I didn't do it. But it's not due till Friday, so I'm not really worried about it.
Look at Halloween.
We hung another one up.
Oh yeah, the red one. Somebody's got the hiccups. Somebody's got the hiccups.
Yes, I do. I'll be wearing flip-flops for the rest of the week.
No. She has blisters. I have boots on.
I have flip-flops on.
Best is gonna come. We're all gonna die.
Hello.
I almost just killed myself.
That was funny.
I don't think I got that on camera though.
Well, you probably have it like,
I don't move. It's kind of funny. My socks say funky monkey. And they have little monkeys.
Oh, those are those that I gave you.
So, walking to school.
How many days?
48 days till we go.
Ariel is counting down.
And then 10 more days after that, we'll be in the 30s. And then 10 more days after that, we'll be in the 20s. And 10 more days after that, we'll be in the 10s. And then 10 days after that, we'll be gone. And I can record a lot there. And maybe I'll bring
Like the last couple days will be like 7 days left, 6 days left.
Yep. They'll be like, tomorrow!
Well, tomorrow would be on a Monday.
But you're gonna pick me up.
Yeah. You can record in the car again.
But, well, I'm like, what your
the
dad
Monday before we go, I'm gonna go see Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince because it comes out that Monday.
I'll probably be home packing.
Horn broke and watch her finger. That's funny.
It's gonna send you. Okay, bye-bye.
Peace out.